Alright guys, welcome, and today I'm going to show you how you can study the strange blind girl statue in Vine's myth. So what we'll need to do is basically reset if you did go on any pressure plate, but for now, how you can know if it is resetted, if you see this big pressure plate showing you up to step on. So let's do this mission. Basically step on this plate, then you'll need to run to the top right here. As you can see, step on this one and then go clockwise around like this. So let's walk around, and as you can see, we did this mission. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Please make sure to subscribe to guide to everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.